Hi, this is Odisha Education and Development Center, and today we are going to learn how to create official letters with easy steps in any of the versions of Microsoft Word. आज आमे शिखिया पई जीवा ऑफिशियल लेटर्स आमे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड रो जे कोनसी वर्जन रे केमते तैयारी करि परिबा. So if any of the version of Microsoft Word is installed in the computer system, then it will open with the original name as WinWord. So जदि Microsoft Word किमा Microsoft Office रो जे कोनसी वर्जन आम सिस्टम रे इंस्टॉल होइथिबो ताहाले आमे WinWord ओरिजिनल नेम द्वारा आमे Microsoft Word एप्लिकेशन को ओपन करि परिबा. ओके, प्रेस विंडो की plus R. It will open the run control window where we need to type WinWord, WINWORD. There is no space. आमे run window open कला परे WinWord type करिया, as WinWord is the original name of Microsoft Word application. So press enter or click OK. It will open Microsoft Word application window. So after opening the Microsoft Word window, we can just press Ctrl N. आमे Microsoft Word window open कला परे Ctrl N press करि परिया, or we can click over the blank document to create a new blank document. And now the Microsoft Word window is providing a work area where we can type the content. Just type the letter as you like. Create a horizontal line with shift plus underscore key. Next we can write to the Superintendent of Police. So just select these two of the lines, press Ctrl E so that we can have center aligned. So put the cursor where we need multiple spaces, press tab, and these all letters we need in Times New Roman. So select all, press Ctrl D, select all, Ctrl A and press Ctrl D. Go to font, change the font to Times New Roman, regular and 12 font size. Okay. Next, the line gap should be maintained. Press Ctrl 1, then Alt O P, then spacing after or before put 0. Okay, this also press Ctrl 1, Alt O P, then after 0. Okay, then the body of the document should be Ctrl J in order to justify the alignment, and press a tab here, press a tab here, press Ctrl J for justified alignment, press enter to create a new line and select the content, Alt O P, then before and after 0. Okay, now the document is ready to print. Thanking you.